I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is the wonderful men's sweater. This is by Poriff. It's a nice turtleneck sweater, so it's very, very nice that you can have this here to keep your neck warm, and it's also slim fit. So it's really, really nice. You can wear it under a jacket as well on those cold days, and it's also very good material. So I want to show you what this looks like up close. You can see how beautiful this really fits. I love it when my husband wears it. It's such a beautiful green color as well, so it's not too bright. You can actually mix this green with a lot of other clothes, and as you can see, it's very good quality. It is slim fit, as you can tell, at the front and at the back. It fits really, really nicely. So this is a really good option if you're looking to get a sweater for your husband as a gift, or you would just like to give it to somebody as a gift. This is just a perfect, good quality sweater. It's so cozy, so beautiful. I love the color, and that's my point of view.